Today's home tip comes from the laundry room. Washers aren't a whole lot of trouble unless they start leaking, but the dryers you might want to think about a little further as far as a possible fire hazard with lint and things of that nature. Of course, your dryer is going to have a vent out the back side, and then the vent is going to go into the wall. Sometimes on a crawl space, that vent will go into the crawl space and out this crawl space wall. Other times when you're on a slab, the vent might go up through the wall into the attic or somewhere else, or even in the wall and be vented out a little higher. The main thing to remember is to make sure that your vent piping stays clear and lint doesn't build up. Also, sometimes you'll notice flex duct that folks might use, particularly when they vented out the crawl space. You might want to consider changing this to a straight rigid pipe so that there's less opportunity for that lint buildup as the ripples flow down through the pipe. Just another tip from the laundry room.